Good morning, America.
It's melting.
This is cooking one-on-one with Marie, our burnt bacon,
And the alarm that's gonna go off.
King, and today on our menu we have our burnt bacon, our cheesy eggs that we made. See, and we keep it healthy, low in sodium. And today
we're trying to cook with plastic. Don't do it.
Sorry, this is a little shaky, but I'm cracking up over here. This is our knife.
Just turn the shit up for a second. Hurry up.
See, doesn't that look good, America? See, even King wants some.
No.
So, Marie, what do you have to say about our breakfast today?
You set the smoke alarm off twice. Okay. That's what I have to say about it. That's why I took
See,
over.
we had to go ahead and open the doors a little bit,
If
and
this thing had smell, you'd be fucking holding your nose.
if this was smell-o-vision, you would be loving it.
Yeah, that smells good. Not even gonna lie.
See, we're such good cooks over here. Like, it's ridiculous.
Only thing is, we need actual silverware.
Most certainly do.
Right.
You should have seen before. That shit was like flexible shit.
Ow.
Alright, we'll catch you guys on the eating tip.
Yeah.
So,
and this is how we look in the morning.
On our
Natural.
phone. I'm still looking
Eat on it.
gorgeous as
Go
ever.
ahead.
Hello.